Hello viewers, welcome to FIK YouTube channel. My name is Fazil Islam. Today I bring a new video for everyone, like a latching solenoid, supervised latching solenoid actuator. So I show you latching solenoid first. This is the latching solenoid. Okay, so this there have two parts. Just connect off of this latching solenoid, make tight this one properly. Okay, not here, top of this latching solenoid. Okay, actually this electronic requirement configuration, this latching solenoid actually voltage supply is 24 voltage DC and current supply is 0.5 ampere and monitoring current is 30 ampere. And normally close it supervisory switch when open when actuator is installed, and reserve it polarity compatible by a bright and reflector required circuit. And then this actuator, latching solenoid actuator, they have so many cable, 6 wire is here. This 6 wire, how do you connect, where you connect, I will explain to you. Before that I would say something about this latching solenoid. This two things is most important for this latching solenoid. First one is maximum 2 pieces supervisory latching solenoid actuator can be connected is parallel and releasing control panel. And then second one is extra 24 voltage power supply panel is required when there are more than 2 pieces of supervisory latching solenoid actuator to be connected to one releasing control panel. So this is the this is more important, just remember it. From or shield panel you can connect maximum 2 latching solenoids, and these 2 solenoid need 24 voltage power, auxiliary power, 24 voltage DC power. If you are connected using in single latching solenoid, that means no required 24 voltage DC. This is the procedure of latching solenoid. So viewers, now I'll show you the which wire you have to connect in latching releasing option and for supervisory. So this first is exiting terminal. Exiting terminal, you need to connect this white and black cable. The this white cable is plus and black cable is minus. You need to connect same like this. Okay, this 2 wire exiting terminal you have to connect. White is black red and black is minus, white plus. Okay, and another 2 is supervisory switch terminal connected to other monitoring devices. 2. Okay, orange is minus and yellow is plus cable, and another 2 orange and 2 yellow wire you have to connect supervisory switch terminal monitoring purpose. So this is the procedure of this latching solenoid. So viewers, let's go. We will start first practically this latching solenoid connection. Before that, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and right side there upon bell icon, please click the bell icon. So viewers, let's go. We will start practically connection. Viewers, now I show you practically latching solenoid connection and LPS connection. So first I will show you the latching solenoid. This is the latching solenoid. We are connected with this box. Okay, this cable is coming from our shield panel from exiting option. Okay, for latching solenoid. So you see this 2 wire white and black cable, latching solenoid red black and white cable. These 2 cable you have to connect with this cable which are coming from panel exiting. See, with brown color you have to connect white cable, and with blue cable you have to connect black cable, and another 2 cables is orange and yellow. These 2 cable together you have to connect and bring in LPS box. Okay, this is the LPS box, low pressure switch. This is the low pressure switch. You see we are connected here with this box. This black 2 is for low pressure LPS cable, this cable coming from panel, from low pressure option, LPS option. So this main cable we are connected here, okay, with the end of line resistance here, and at opposite option we are connected this two black cable, LPS cable we are connected here, and these two cable which one coming from here, latching solenoid, these two cable we are connected together with this black. Okay, this is the procedure of latching solenoid and actuator. Until we did not we disconnect this one because of latching solenoid, we did not connection here top of cylinder. That's why we remove this cable. If I will connect it here, then panel shield panel getting trouble because of this actuator we did not connect. That's why we just disconnect this cable. When you are going to install this latching solenoid top of this cylinder, at this time we are connected this cable here, so trouble will not showing in this panel. So this is the connection of latching solenoid and low pressure switch for Novec system. Okay, Novec cylinder, latching solenoid and LPS. So thank you for watching this video.